How to unplug the power from your Asus Tuf gaming laptop. So as you can see, my laptop is already opened. If you want to open the cover, simply unscrew all the screws and very carefully open your laptop. You will need a screwdriver for opening your laptop. And now you want to unplug the battery. So this is the main battery and here is the connector. Make sure to unplug the battery before you are going to do something on your laptop. So if you are removing the Wi-Fi card or the RAM, always unplug the battery. You can use your hand or something plastic and just open it and dislocate this little thing. So now my power is unplugged and now you can change something or repair something on your laptop without getting hit from your battery. So be very careful while doing this. Make sure it's unplugged and you can do your things. After your repairing session, just plug it in and it will work. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.